Hello everybody, I'm Kat.
And I'm Cor.
And we are the
Positive Holistic Vegans.
And today we just got our shipment in for a Hippo 7 and we are super excited. Thank you so much, Hippo, for making this product and pushing it out for vegans and for anybody else who needs these essential nutrients in their body.
It is pretty cool. Check it out. They got little hippos on it. It's really, really cool. It's got the vegan V right there, Hippo 7. That we are excited to try this out today.
Open it up.
We're gonna open it up. So I have my safety knife here. Be safe, everybody. We got you covered, it says. So we're gonna just open it up and see what we get in this package.
And we were also super excited to get our shirts in as well from
GoGorilla.co. So Go Gorilla is an awesome vegan company that makes all vegan shirts. So here I'm wearing the Vegan Gorilla. It is the workout style shirt so I can show off my vegan gains. And then Kat's over here wearing the awesome Vegan Power. Kind of looks like something from the 70s. So it's really hip and it's really cool. We will be making our own shirts, Positive Holistic Vegans, coming soon, so stay tuned. But we're gonna go ahead and reach in here. So first, I'm gonna grab the paper. It's just a receipt. And then Kat's gonna grab a piece of paper.
Okay. Is this a sticker?
Oh!
I love stickers.
Look what we got. The Proud Plant Eater sticker. We love stickers. Probably put it on our box jump. We like putting our different stickers on there. So this is awesome. Thank you. Next up, I'm gonna pull something out as well. We got a magnet.
A magnet.
So this is pretty cool. You can take out the next thing, but we got this Proud Plant Eater magnet here. So check it out. It is really cool. So we'll definitely be using that and putting that on our fridge.
Here is the supplements that we got.
Oh, so now we have our Hippo 7. It is the essential for plant eaters dietary supplement, vegan complete. 2 a day, and there's 60 vegan capsules, soft capsules in there. So we'll show that off real quick here. So there's a lot of really good stuff in here. And we'll put it up on the screen.
Seven because it has 7 essential nutrients.
So Kat will read it off.
So D3, B12, calcium, iron,
iodine, zinc,
sodium, and your omega-3s.
Omega-3. So a lot of those good things. Everything in here is essential for vegans like ourselves. So I know for ourselves, we were taking multiple supplements every single day. We were taking a B12, we were taking a D3. We're starting to use iodine salt in our food. And for calcium, we drink like almond milk, plant-based milk, but it's kind of hard to get your full recommended daily dose of calcium in there as well. So this supplement is really, really cool because it's literally, you just take 2 soft gels a day. That would consist of 10 calories. You get 1.5 grams of fat, less than a gram of carbs. So if you're keto, this is good. Omega-3s, there's 2 different types. You have the DHA and the EPA. So a little fun fact is everybody thinks that you can only get omega-3s from fish. But guess what? Fish are naturally made with omega-3s. The fish eats the algae, they eat plants.
Oh yeah, you can get it from seaweed as well.
No, because yes, the fish eat the seaweed, so then that's how they get the omega-3s. So everyone always thinks that people will go from vegan to vegetarian because they think they're malnutrient in omega-3s, but they're secretly, they don't have to eat fish. But there's not anything bad in here really. There's no preservative, not a legit preservative in here. So they put this little safety plastic around it on here and they vacuum seal it. I'm gonna take the little tool here. But like I was saying, it's pretty cool that we can only take, instead of taking a bunch of different supplements, we can only take one product and get everything we need. So
definitely more for your buck.
Yes, because a lot of these supplements can be very expensive. Yeah. So go ahead. It's like a traditional kind of capsule supplement bottle. It's got the protective layer in it. And then, so I'm gonna dish myself out 2 here for myself, and then we'll show what it looks like on the screen. So as you can see here, it's like 2 red capsules. Here we go. Pretty neat. So you just take 2 of these, and you get them all filled up in here.
Cool.
So I knew this was coming today, so I waited to take my supplements this morning because I was excited to try this. So here we go. Cheers.
I honestly don't remember if I took mine or not.
All right, so it is a soft gel capsule. Those are typically easier for me to swallow, at least. It's easier going down. Sometimes the firmer pills, non-soft gels, will kind of scratch my throat going down. So those weren't bad to take down. So we highly recommend that you try this. So it says suggested use, take 2 soft gels together daily with food. So we just ate dinner, so I'm good for that part. 0 artificial colorants and synthetic fillers added. So this is vegan, GMO free, soy free, gluten free, and it says store in a cool, dry place. Do not use if seal's under cap is broken. Keep out of reach of children for adult use only. So definitely check them out. Hippo 7 here. We're excited to have them, and hopefully you will check them out. So we do have a discount code. They have been nice enough to promote us and we're an ambassador for them. So check them out. We'll put the link in the description. But the discount code will be positive vegans, and you'll save 20% on your order. So if you buy one, you can use that discount code. You buy another one, once you run out, you get another one. One last thing is they do have a, they can ship it to you every month. So it's a cheaper rate if you do that deal. But I definitely recommend that you just probably try it out first and see if you like it, because everyone has a different reaction to different supplements. So feel free to check out Hippo 7, use our discount code positive vegan, save 20%, and let us know what you think. If you take a supplement, what kind do you take? Put it down in the comments and we'll answer to you. We hope you enjoy this video. We have more to come. If you're interested in us reviewing different products, put it down in the comments and we'll get to it. But anyways, y'all enjoy the rest of your day, your evening. Do something to make someone else's day more positive. Hope you enjoy. Namaste.